Okay, groups was to be in the sea. We've organized with staff that some of us will take it out into the selected fish houses or to the support boulders and we actually plant the whole coral and the coal within those boulders. That's what we do, and that's what we try to empower and encourage communities out there in the coral coast.
I'm delighted to be here today with the Coral Coast community and tourism operators to mark World Tourism Day in a special way. And this year the theme is sustainable tourism, a tool for development. And what better way to show Fiji's commitment to sustainable development by planting corals. Ladies and gentlemen, you may recall that in June this year we planted mangroves on the Shangri-La beachfront. And today we are happy to partner once again with the Organization for Industrial, Spiritual, and Cultural Advancement, Fiji, OISCA, as they're commonly known, and the Ministry of Youth and Sports, and the Fiji Hotel and Tourism Association in this coral planting initiative. I'd also like to, at this opportunity, commend our hosts, the Outrigger Fiji Beach Resort, for the hard work that they put in coordinating this event. Ladies and gentlemen, we must also acknowledge with gratitude the participation of the local community and the presence of the three Turangi Tokei ni Vanua Danua, Navi Kambuta and Noi Warendrunga, whose collective 7 Yabusas hold traditional fishing rights over the lagoon, where this coral planting initiative is taking place. We also thank the guests of the Outrigger Beach Resort, and especially the youth who are part of the teen program, for their active interest and participation. And I request that you continue your efforts towards a sustainable growth wherever you go. The Fijian government, ladies and gentlemen, believes in ensuring that our future generations are able to enjoy the same environment as we are enjoying today. And today, as you all know, is World Tourism Day, a day celebrated throughout the world to raise awareness of the contribution of tourism to sustainable development. This year's celebration is complementing the United Nations International Year of Sustainable Tourism Development and the contribution of tourism to the Sustainable Development Goals. In this regard, the coral planting activity that we will undertake shortly supports the SDGs 14 and 17. And these goals relate to healthy marine ecosystems and strengthening public-private partnerships to achieve this sustainable development. Ladies and gentlemen, coastal and maritime tourism heavily relies on healthy marine ecosystems, and therefore tourism development must be an integrated approach that will help conserve and preserve our fragile ecosystems and serve as a vehicle to promote a blue economy. Hence it is crucial, absolutely crucial, that all the stakeholders work together to conserve and sustainably use the oceans, the seas, and the marine resources for sustainable development. And we do not want the protection of our coral reefs to stop today. It is a continuous process, and we should all take ownership of it. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gathered here today to plant the coral and to give back to our wetlands and to ensure its sustainability for years to come. And in the spirit of World Tourism Day and the National Climate Change Week, we also take time to plant a tree to ensure that we are carrying the theme of sustainability forward as we celebrate and complement Fiji's upcoming presidency of COP23. Ladies and gentlemen, sustainability cannot be achieved in isolation. It is a collaborative effort between all stakeholders, and that includes government, business partners, tourism operators, and the local community. And today, as we undertake the activities of coral and tree planting, we must bear in mind that through these initiatives, although these initiatives may be small, it will speak volumes, and our environment features prominently in the Sustainable Development Goals. Today, we enhance our shared ownership of the conservation of our land and marine environments. And it is also the continuation of the partnership in ensuring a sustainable future. By planting mangroves, and corals and trees, we are able to take small steps towards a sustainable future, not only for Fiji, but for the region and the world, and that it may inspire others also to protect our environment. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you all warmly for being part of our coral planting initiative. And remember, as Aristotle said, and I quote, he who sees things grow from the beginning will have the best view of them, unquote. And a happy World Tourism Day to all of you. Thank you very much. Minawalegu.